Should I or should I not buy some new gear for my van? I have a couple things that I want to upgrade, but I'm not sure if it's needed this year to spend the money or should I wait a little bit. Hi, I'm Catherine and this is Sharing My Van Life. Welcome to Series 4 of my van reset after spending the winter at the family farm. I'll be on the road in a few weeks, heading to southern Alberta, southern Saskatchewan, and southern BC for a few months. There are a few things that I've done today that I've just added to the inside of the van, but there's some outside stuff that I like your opinion on, so let me know. First of all, I have a new shoe rack that I'm going to be putting up. So in here I keep a pair of slippers that I use, a hat. I have usually 4 pairs of shoes. I have some sandals, everyday sandals, like a good walking sandal. These are my driving shoes that I usually leave up front. And then I have a pair of running shoes and then my hunter boots that I use for when it's raining. Behind this I have the faux mirror. This is torn and dirty, so I have a new one. Because I don't have hooks that will fit the round holes, I'm just going to use next thing I'm going to fix is my bug net. So that's going to come off and I'm going to put a new one up. My new netting, originally I had one for the back door and one for the side door. I never did put it on the back door because I never have the back door open because the propane tank is there. So this has just been in storage for the last 4 years. So we are going to put it up today. So the net is up until I need it. I have 2 propane tanks. This stand is a little bit broken, so I'm considering putting a new stand on. For the summer, I only need 1 propane tank because it's for my heater, so I probably won't be using it. And I do have a bike that I wanted to carry. I'm looking at this new cargo carrier. What do you think? So let me know whether or not you think I should get the new cargo trailer on the back of the van or not. I'd like your opinion. So just send me a comment and we will see you next time. I'll be getting Lucky ready for van life again. Might be a challenge. She's used to having a big house and a yard to play in. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll let you know what I'm doing to get her ready. Talk to you later. Bye for now.